Hello everyone, how are you all doing today? Hello Virtual Scallop and Scrapper225. It is wonderful to see you. Tonight is Soul and Silicon night. I'm going to be working more on the route writing because I said I was going to last week, then stuff happened and it didn't really work out, but gonna do it tonight. Anything else to note? Let's see. Checking. Oh yeah! New chapter of Our Days Under One Roof. It's so fucking cute. God. Y'all need to read Our Days Under One Roof by ENVTuber. It's great. Hello, Game of the Robot. Great to see you. But yeah. Y'all, you gotta read Our Days Under One Roof. It's an autobiography about Yuri mangaka and living her life with her girlfriend. It is so fucking cute and wholesome and just really fucking good. And just, it's so good. Oh, it's so good. Yeah, hello, Non and Wannabe Cat and Jude. Yeah, I'm done for autobiography. Yeah, it's really good. Y'all have got to read it. It's, just excellent. Just one of, like, hands down, one of the best, like, just cutest manga I've read in a long time. It's great, yeah. Feel free to change that man, Kasai Sound, How to Romance. Yeah, and Mage and Demon Queen and Dragon Girlfriend, yeah, too much Yuri. Just kidding, no such thing. But there is a lot of it. There should be more, but yeah. Yeah, so, I said last week that I was gonna work on route writing for Quinn, and then I got sidetracked with the V3 stuff, and yeah, not great. Yeah, last time wasn't great. Didn't really get anything done. Oh, hello, Sella. Great to see you. Yeah, just last week wasn't great. It kinda really sucked super hard. And so, yeah, we're gonna do better this time. I'm gonna do some writing. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be cool. And yeah, with that, without further ado, really just head on over. Why is nothing there? Alright, TV Studio. There you go. Alright. So. There. Okay. So. Stuff that did actually make a change is that I swapped all the debug. Yeah, so I made it so all the invisible sprites do actually have like a texture just so you can see them for now, but yeah. Anyway, I said we're gonna work on Quinn's route and stuff over there. And so, we're gonna do that. I've got like the introductory conversation stuff over here. Yeah. Okay. I've got all of that done, okay. More stuff. What else can I do over here? Like, as it is pretty wrapped up. Like, I could, like, write, like, more scenes. Let me pull up what I've got. So, just opening stuff up in the background. I've got the Quinn intro. I've got like a bit of a Quinn chat one. Yeah. I do think I want to add like some more flavor text around the library and such. That is a big one. What else? That would be more than just it. That would be more than just it. Sorry, brain is still kicking into motion. You know what? Ew. Why am I getting so hung up on this? So what we do have right now, let me just go through that. Let's see. So, doesn't look like I'll find anything here. Back to the one I guess. I mean to ask, how did you like that manga I sent you the other day? Let me double check. Oh yeah, that one. It's real good. Yeah, definitely a cute one. Ooh, what the? Hey. Oh, that is... Oh, I can't wait for the kerning update. The other types are like, oh, this would be awesome for Lemma. Yeah, it started a little, like, but it is, like, evened itself out over time. Right? Yep. Robot right now, first time we're a little awesome. Tech robot, human run, next looks for project. Helping me. Actual parts used, I'm just running it. I wanted to try to learn from myself. Happy to help, love working with electronics, help get findings a little complicated. Halfway robot. Really hard to hard messing with breadboards, actually designing people well made. Not taught well, horrible on silently up breadboard. And my own. Boards, really sketch where the traces go. You can use sketch board itself from a company. Looks like there could be a bit more like right about here. Let me pull that up in Atom. Alright, so, Yeah, like, right here really feels like a good place for there to be more meat. Okay. What do I put there? Cost. Well, Hello, how are you? Hello, yeah, hello, Kaido Nasa, great to see you. I'm doing alright. Just trying to get gears spinning for writing right now. Thank you for the hydrate, Jasper. Good to see you too. Ah, lots of folks here, yay. Hey, oh, I really wish I had better, like, source of light to do hand tracking with, like, Oh!
Whoa.
Hello, Sleepy Beans, great to see you. Thank you very much for subscribing at Tier 1 for the 3rd month. Thank you for continuing to use LMOS. Yeah. Just gonna be lurking. That's just fine, Jasper. Glad to have you here. Hey. How much is... Oh, it really depends on how complex it is. I'm looking, yeah, I should probably show you all, Edge. I am looking at pricing on PCBWay so I can, like, give an accurate answer. Yeah. Pretty cheap. Yeah, yeah, like, just so folks know, like, a standard, like, the real challenge is shipping, like, like, shipping is pricey. That's where they offload a lot of the cost. And they do, like, flexible and rigid flex PCB stuff. Standard PCB is pretty basic. Yeah. lots of stuff. And there, of course, there's other ones like Osh Park. So, yeah, you do like some interesting ones. Ah, here's one of my favorite PCB designs. After Dark PCB. They are clear solder mask on a black board, and they look fucking beautiful. Like, let me pull up some images of the After Dark ones. Look at this! Oh, they're so pretty! Look at them! Ah! Like, I am not sponsored by Osh Park. I have never bought a single thing from them because I'm not good enough at design, like circuit design, to actually like design stuff. But oh god, look at this! Get your PCB away without also hearing it in Paraphractic's voice. Oh yeah, just like Osh Park's After Dark stuff. It's just beautiful. Oh, it is just fucking beautiful. Like, just look at this. I mean, yeah, God, I want to learn how to actually, like, design circuits and shit someday. And, like, beyond just, like, breadboard shit. I want to actually learn how to use the fucking EDA. I also, like, I'm getting impulses to distract myself, which I really shouldn't do. I really want to make a stylophone with them, yeah, Anyone have, like... Oh, this, but... this is like a homemade thing and they don't actually... So, like, this is, well, project files, ooh, EagleCAD board and schematic files for, stylophone, okay. Yeah, let me just, yeah. That one is super fun, yeah. So this actually has like the like actual like schematics and everything. So let me just send that on to you real quick. Yeah, yeah, I fucking love like circuit designs and shit and just I really want to make stuff that I said I'd focus on writing today, and I've got people actually like paying money for me to focus on writing. Like seriously, I've got like there's my Patreon, which if folks don't know, if you are either subscribed to me here on Twitch or back me over on Patreon, I will give you access to the dev builds every other week. Yeah, this is a dev build week, so if you back my Patreon or subscribe to me on Twitch right now, at the end of the stream, you will get access to the current build of Soul and Silicon. You need a blank redeem so you can Bonk redeem so he can poke you, or would that just make things worse? I don't know. Like, I'm fine going off on, like, little tangents, but I'm not, like, gonna, yeah, that kind of release night, yeah. Yeah. It's more of a build night, but yeah. Yeah, either way, like, just, more just, like, don't let, like, just, it's fine for me to, like, go on tangents and such, but I'm not, yeah. Ah. Words. Words. Ah, words. Fuck. Don't let me derail what I'm doing too hard, but if I'm, like, just talking about something, that's fine. Like, don't allow me to start looking up how to do, like, fucking, ASM and shit, because that's out of scope. Posture check, thank you. If I'm just talking about stuff, that is perfectly okay. It's a... Yeah. Like, it's a dev stream. It's fine for me to, like, talk about shit and, like, be chatty. But, like, if I'm getting derailed doing something that's not, like, actually productive to working on the shit I'm doing, then make sure I don't do that. Sorry, yeah. Kind of scattered today. Thank you for the posture check, by the way. I did straighten up. Okay. No, I forgot. Work? No, of course not. Yeah, I love your little dives and answer. Just want to help in someone when I see you get hyperfixated on something you didn't want to focus on. Yeah. I really wish, I could, like, just set up, like, a macro or, like, just, like, a key or something to do that ellipsis character. I'm actually not even sure what, like... There's some kind of alt code you could write down for it? Not really, because it's not actually, like, a real character, as far as I know. Let me see if I can, like, just, it's from extended ASCII, which is technically not real Unicode. Printables, okay. Extended ASCII code, so let me pull this up on Edge. So, Yeah, yeah. Hit your lip, yeah. The horizontal ellipsis is 8.5. Let me see if that actually. Whoop. Me. Oh no. Yeah, Yeah, like, just the issue is, when I type it, it doesn't actually, like, match up. I feel like just, it's weird. Because, like, if I actually type, yeah. Yeah, because, like, this says here it's ASCII code 133, letter with a grave, but over on here it's, this is the thing about extended ASCII. Oh yeah, it's also, different, yeah, it's non-standard. Differs from the, it differs from 88, yeah, like, 133 is, there. Is there a horizontal, ellipsis? I'm not actually sure. Let me check something. Yeah, let me pull up this in non-standard. We do it, I guess. Yeah, we're trying to do. Sorry, yeah. At least, been missing chat while I look through stuff. Yeah. Yeah, all code. Yeah, not actually Unicode. Just kind of asking, non-Unicode at all. There is a Unicode ellipsis, but it's a different character. Yeah. Different encoding. Thought I'd put everything in Unicode. Everything is Unicode. ASCII is not. UTF-8, anything above OX80 hex, first byte counting is extended multi-byte, yeah. Specific byte so that GP Studio represents the ellipsis, yeah. Right, let me just... Right, let me check this. I really wish that Windows had a better, like, Unicode, like, character viewer also. Let me make this bigger so, like, just... Here's, like, the stuff. With... Right. Copy. Show emoji and symbols. ASCII code would count as multi-byte extension, yeah. U plus 0020. What? Oh wait, no, it's converting that to a space. Fuck. Let me see if GB Studio actually has. I don't remember where I actually, like, got the original, like, ellipsis character from. Was there, like, a thing here? Text events. Yep, yep, yep. Yeah, I'm looking. Y elements. Oh, look, there's some GitHub sent you all back, yeah. Yeah. F. Where is it? Oh, 1, 6. So 6, 5. OX65, which can't do that. Can't do that conversion in my head. Build the gaze all of a sudden. Oh, let's do the sun. 101. Let me see if 101 works. Oh, 101. No. Because that's not 65. What the fuck is this ASCII table, actually? Oh, is that removing the control codes? How many control codes are there? What about... Yeah, I don't know if it's possible for me to do. Yeah. Insert QD. Yeah. If you can find it non, that would be very nice, yeah. Five, yeah. Like, just checking the code table. Euro, nothing. Okay. Yeah, it says 133 here. But, it uses a different one and, like, it uses a different 133 here. Let me just check stuff. Okay. Calling that table. Not this one. What the fuck ASCII table are you using? BRB, yeah, take your time, Non. I'm just so confused. How do you do a hex dump? Let me just fucking... So... do I not actually have, there it is, okay. Yeah. Actually, wait, found it, thank you! Sorry that... ASCII Windows 1252. Please copy paste tables in the raw text, yeah. What? Are you kidding? There are no, like... X view, okay. There. Ow. Alt-Shift-H, okay. Alt-Shift-H. Alt-Shift. E285 ODOA. Right, that's ODO. C285. It's Mimic Headmates, that's our talking for Singles Monkey. Hello, lovely Mimic, great to see ya. So, C285, okay. So if I do Alt X C285, Alt X, type character code, then Alt, then X. So that just not work. U plus C 5 alt X. Is that just not working at him or something? Yeah, it is definitely C285. Ah. I don't know. This is fucking weird. Oh, Alt-X is... Oh, it only works in rich edit control. Fuck you. Fuck you, Windows. Right, so yeah, I have this at least. Alright. Wait, 5. Mimic, I love a cutie Mimic. Code page 1252, okay. Right, so it's Windows 1252, got it. And look for a bit while I make some veggies for the house, sounds good. Windows 1252, come on. Microsoft, why do you have to ruin everything? And why does GB Studio only take the 1252 ellipsis and not the... Some spinach and asparagus sounds fun. Yeah, I kind of want a new keyboard at some point, honestly. What I've got right now kinda sucks. Like, I've got so many other things I need to spend money on too, so... Ah. It is definitely 5. Yeah. Okay. Having more code pages and future versions will help, definitely. I do really wish that I could actually do more do more stuff right now. Just ah. I just with the limitations of GB Studio, like knowing that the next update is gonna make all of this work I've been doing to make sure that the text is fitting perfectly within the text boxes, just all that's gonna be made irrelevant, and just feels weird to be using something that's clearly that is clearly not finished, but also not really being able to do anything else. Like, I guess I could learn how to like write in like ASM and like actually learn how to like program a Game Boy Color and everything, but that would just don't want this to be a programming project. I just don't know what to do. This really tough. It's got to work within the limitations for now, yeah. Not fun, yeah. Just, I really do want this to be, like, running on Game Boy Color. Worst comes to worst, and it ends up, like, just being totally infeasible to do on GBC. Which I don't think it will be, but just in case, I'm fine, like, moving to GBA and doing whatever there. That's what they use, actually. ARM? ARM 7 MI. Yeah. Could always do a version 2.0 with all the bells and whistles you couldn't have with GB, yeah. Katsumoto, yeah. The ARMv4 is, yeah, 32-bit. Yeah. Yeah, just like Soul and Silicon Plus. Thank you for all the head pats, everyone. Yeah. Oh, I should actually probably note one thing. After, like, running into all of, like, the limitations last week, I talked stuff out with Boki, and we did actually come up with some ideas, so let me quickly pull those up just because I want to show y'all what I did end up getting worked on yesterday. Just because, or last week, not yesterday. Just because last time I did end it without having much to show, but I did do a bit of work after the stream to just work out Alex and sprite stuff. So, I've got this. It looks a lot better now. We went in to look at, like, what other games with, like, head bobbing and these health restrictions did, and we realized they go down, not up, and it just looks way better now. Still might not be, yeah. Hopefully, like, just if I pull up grid settings and we do an 8 wide, 16 tall grid, it does still take up a healthy amount of tiles. There are some things I can do, like I could change the back ones to not use as many tiles, but yeah. Like, just this version does still use 24 different tiles, but that is a lot better than I had previously. Yeah, and like, just this stuff could be compressed down to, like, it can conceivably go down to 21 total tiles. Just if I, like, because there's only really slight differences back here, so yeah. It does actually look really good. We got the pre-trans, well, let me, then, yeah, we made some tweaks to the pre-trans one too. Let me just pull that up. And I really like how they're actually, like, swinging around horizontally instead of up in this one. Looks really good. What's the tile limit again? The tile limit is 70 total tiles. So this is, yeah, so it is around a third? Yeah. It is around a third of the total tile space. Yeah. And, like, for example, like, this back sprite is already, like, fully symmetrical. Like, that's just fully symmetrical, that's easy to deal with. Yeah. Did that make sense for the main character to occupy that amount? Yeah. Just, like, that will, like, put a bit of a limit on, like, how the other characters can be designed. like, I want more of them to have, like, a 4-frame, or, like, a 3-frame walk cycle. And of course, if we do take this down to, like, a non-generated code game, then that gives us more options, but yeah. Like, we might be able to do some other, like, sneaky fancy stuff to golf it, but we will have to see. Basically just... Problem is that, it's, like, just, ultimately... What? Like, just... I actually do think I'm gonna go on a quick tangent for this. Then I'm just gonna close my sprite down for a sec. I'm gonna go on a quick tangent, so... Ultimately, what this ends up being a challenge, like, on GB Studios' side, it is the halting problem, or equivalent to the halting problem, of it needs to be able to analyze and find out at any given moment what is the maximum, like, with the given configurations, what is the maximum amount of sprites that will be on screen at, or different tiles that will be on screen at a time. So, like, there's just a lot of things to worry about here, so, like, each of these, of course... Ooh, that's actually expensive. I shouldn't be using that, but yeah. Ultimately, so... What we're dealing with here is any actor can set a sprite sheet at any time, and it needs to be able to account for that. It does not let you, it does not let you switch to an arbitrary sprite sheet just to limit you, so it needs to know basically that makes it know at compile time how many sprite sheets will ultimately be here at any given moment. So you've got 2 frames, so you've got, for example, right now in the library, we've got 2 frames for the 2 frames of the sparkle. We've got 3 total frames for NPC 007, who doesn't have a walking animation. We've got 6 frames for NPC 006, who does, even though they ultimately won't. And then we've got a frame for the Shiba, a frame for, like, the invisible text. Or the invisible, like, dialog box. And yeah. That basically just, it knows when it compiles, because it always knows the player sprite sheet has to have 6 frames. Yeah, can you swap a sprite sheet on a trigger? Yes, but you can only do that deterministically. So, for example, over here, like, for example, on a knit, based on the chapter, it will set the sprite sheet, but it knows what sprite it's going to switch to. It's going to switch to NPC 006, which, that means it knows how many sprites NPC 006 has, and it can add those 6 to the total tile count. Even if, basically, right now what it does is it tallies up any sprites that are ever used at all, just so it doesn't have to, like, try and solve the halting problem to determine how many might be in use at a time. Ultimately, it's not like the way it's set up, it can't really have a state machine. Currently, most of the NPCs only move on a trigger, right? Yeah. Okay, idea, yeah? I know what you're thinking is you're gonna load the sprites when they're about to move. Yes, that is what I would do if I had control of the code, but I do not, and GB Studio does not, so it can only, like, deal with stuff. Like, LOD is definitely gonna end up being an important thing for this, but I will probably have to do that at some, like, level of actually writing the code myself or having AC help or so. Like, LOD is definitely the way to go here. Basically, if a character is only gonna be, like, static in a scene, then only give them, like, a static sprite. If they're gonna be walking around, then you give them, like, the walking sprite. That is definitely how it is gonna end up. Thinking of also unloading Arity's walking sprite sheet when the NPC's moving, yeah. That is, yeah, like, that is another thing, like, that is LOD. I'm not sure how fast that would be is the issue. I would need to look into, like, that would need actual, like, low-level technical knowledge of the Game Boy Color, which I just don't have, which is why I'm using this. But yeah. That sort of LOD stuff is gonna, like, just, that LOD stuff is gonna end up being, like, the big thing. Especially because you only really can have one person walking at a time with how this is set up, but you don't want that to be the case. But yeah. I actually want to check something in the code. So, let me actually check something in the code. I'm not actually sure how. Yeah. Yeah, I actually don't know how that would really, how that actually, like, really works. Like, does raise some questions, though. Open. Let me pull this up and add them quick, like, just. Okay. So this is one of the data pointers files. Or here's data pointers. So there are, like, data pointers it's got and such. But these I'm not actually sure, like, super sure about. Offset bank pointers, alright, yeah. These are a lot of, like, just data bank pointers, palette pointers, sprite bank pointers, okay. Scene bank pointers, collisions, avatars, music tracks, music banks. Ah. Oh! Bank data! Oh shit! This actually is... This is actual bank data! Wow! Okay, so... This is, like, where the actual text is stored. Oh boy! Oh, this is delicious. Oh. Yeah, there's, like, oh, yeah, like, this is the text of the game. One character per line. Oh, this is delicious. Oh. Oh, this is delicious. Oh, this is... Oh. Oh, I love this. This is like the actual bank data. Wow, Zoe, what am I looking at? Hello, Gen X! Great to see you. Assembly code? Yes. This is the assembly code for... Yeah. like, this is the assembly code. Like, this isn't code. This is how you build a file with exactly, like, very specific, like, this is how you do byte for byte. Oh, nice, yeah, yeah. Yeah, like, just... These are the actual bytes of, like, everything. Like, these are... Like, this is the data of, like... Yes. There. Accidentally took that. Like, just... These are the raw bytes of the code. Like, if I pull up, if I, like, open up the ROM of this, and I look in, like, where Databank 8 is, like, this module Bank 8 data, yeah, at the Bank 8 data, I can actually, like, look in, like, if I pull up the data pointers again... No, not Visual Studio. Fuck off. Fuck off. Ah. No, 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 no. Go away. Go away. Ah. Yeah, like, just... Like, just, if you look in the ROM where Bank 8 is, you will find this exact sequence of bytes. 02, 22, 53, 75, 6E, 66, 6C, 6F, 77, 65, 72, 73, 26F, 6E, 20, etc. Like, that is the actual, like, that is the, like, code. Like, that is the, like, raw data that actually gets put into the ROM. All the pointers. Yeah. Like, there's a few other... Yeah. Like, there's also this MSM listing, which I'll pull that open. Like, this is just like a bit more like... This is basically just like a... I'm actually not sure. MSM assembly listing, yeah. Which is... Oh! Ah! I think this is the actual, like... Alright, so MASM listings aren't super helpful for here, but these do say... Alright, oh, these are the point... Alright, so the LST is actually, like, the marker of, like, bytes and such. And, like, the pointers and everything. Like, we can see, like, at least in this file, like, at pointer in bank 8000004, that is this, OX6E byte. Yeah, this is cool. Then there's an O file with one more thing. I'm not actually sure what this is. It's just... Oh, is this just another symbol map or whatever? Probably. Yeah, like, if we look through, yeah. Looks like... Yeah, alright. Does look like this just like another form of, like, the assembly stuff. That is really cool. I do really like how it actually does export to, like, real, like, actual ASM, and you can like look at that and mess around with it if you want. Yeah, like there's like I've just got a ton of like different code stuff here, and that's cool. Yeah, there's just a ton of really cool stuff. Yeah, it is neat how you can just like look into the code that GB Studio is actually making. But I'm looking for like a specific thing at the moment. Right.c, yeah. Why are you? No! Go away! Yes, exit Visual Studio. I don't want Visual Studio! Ah! Why are you opening Visual Studio 2017 too? What the fuck? Yeah, like just... It is just like... This is the code for my game that I made through this. That is like... I do like when codeless editors let you export into something actually like viewable, like into like actual like source. That's cool. Yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna... Oh, why did I lose track? Okay, yeah. I'm gonna quickly go AFK. I will be right back in a minute. Yeah. See you in a second. Love dealing with the side effects of one of the only FDA-approved anti-androgens. Oh well. Anyway. I'm kind of annoyed with it. Losing tracking. Might need to work on my setup again sometime. Yeah. Yeah. Writing. An intro. Yeah, look. Yeah. Anyway, writing. 22, okay. I still love just being able to see this, yeah. I wish it, like, actually, like, marked beyond just Bank 8, like, where various points for, like, text versus, sprites versus whatever is. But, yeah, like, just lots of stuff here. Like, this is... Oh, it is actually kinda it actually might not be super sorted. Just a lot of data here. There is a frankly ridiculous amount of data. Like, have you ever looked at like just the ROM that this ends up making? Like, that's a 256K ROM. That is like one of those like fucking like you saw like how all of these like just every one of these .dbs, that is 1 byte. There are 200, like just absolutely massive, like just, and like they're not always like one of these, but like just 256,000. That's that's like, it's so hard to like visualize that, you know? Oh, so like that's for like just make sure all of these are bound to Atom, because do I have? Alright, I only have 3 versions of Visual Studio installed, thanks. Yeah, like just... Ooh, oh, I found some of the actor stuff, okay. Yeah, like... Oh, Jen, thank you. Lemon's the cutest of cute bots, so pretty and sweet, and I'm hugging. Oh, thank you. Oh, that means a lot. Yeah, like, just, here's a bunch of, like, different stuff for, like, here's what it does to, like, do the, like, set a tile and everything. Like, there's just so much stuff here. And, like, it's really interesting. Like, they've got, like, is on screen. Back pointers and everything, like, just, I am getting a bit sidetracked, but this is just, like, like, there is just, like, a lot of stuff that goes into GP Studio that I didn't really, like, look into before. Good kind of sidetrack? Yeah, this is good kind of sidetrack, yeah. Like, just, I'm not, like, trying to actually, like, program something. I'm just, like, looking at, like, what I've already done. Like, There's just so much stuff. Not animating yet. Check anim speeds. Frames and everything. Yeah, there's just like... And like, that's not even, like, just, that, is just, like, there is so much stuff. Like, sprite cool stuff, yeah. So much, yeah. Also completely dorkable in the best way possible. Yeah. Like, there's just a lot of stuff. Deactivate actors, yeah. You want to, like, look into the sprite loading stuff at some point. Like, it feels like you could actually, like, make a state machine, but... Yeah, like, it feels like you could make a state machine to deal with sprites and everything, but that would, like, limit stuff. You consider doing an Arity sprite as an emote ever? Honestly, I might. I fucking might. Just, like, not... Like, I might put them into BTTV. Just... Fundamentally, there is, I don't get many emotes for Twitch, and that kind of sucks. That'd be fun, yeah. Let me actually pull up the, like, check. Twitch's remote system is pretty bad, yeah. It is very... They don't care about anyone other than partners, and they don't even care about partners. And then, like, yeah, there's just a lot of things that are... I do actually want to look over... I want to look at the trigger code. That... I want to... Reactivate if not change file. Trigger run script. Okay, is that going to be... Oh no, that is script start, okay. Triggers I events pointer. Oh, script runner. I want to look at... I actually do really want to look at script runner. Right. Alright, so that's a bank pointer. A pointer to a bank pointer? Okay. Sure. Okay. Yeah, I love how I know enough to, like, read C, but not enough to write C. I might actually try writing C in, like, a lower, like, in an 8-bit environment sometime. Love me some extra levels of indirection, yeah. I mean... Let's see... What the fuck is that? What is the arrow operator? Access elements instructs? What? What? Using pointers. Look. So yeah, that's the like just there's dot notation and then there's arrow notation if you want pointer. Like yeah, it's basically just a shorthand, so you don't have to like convert it back into a value, but yeah. Yeah, so like just this goes like just that goes trigger and triggers I events pointer, yeah. Once you hit 3 levels, pointer to a pointer to a pointer, you've achieved Zen Masters. Yeah, oh no. Oh no. No, no. Why? No. God, I love seeing that type of comment, yeah. I'm glad that it at least includes some contents and such. Or some comments and such, but yeah. Yeah, I'm trying to, like, currently figure out why, like, every time you, like, step into a new, like, part of the trigger, you stutter. No, that's script start beat. Yeah, so this is prepares him. What is it actually like? What is it? What does this actually do? What does, like, what does script start actually do? Is there a script runner? Is there, like, something I'm missing or... Ooh, alright, so here's, like, DSL stuff. Oh, is it putting it in the back? Or no? Yeah, so... that's what does it. That's what fucking does it. That's what fucking does it. It sets player moving false. It sets player moving false when a script starts, but... I can think of, like, a way that could be better of... like, just... Let me, like, go... Like, let me pull up the game just to show what, like, my grief is about. Why are you taking a little while to compile? Oh no, does it have to recompile? Oh no, because oh no! Because I built it in V3, it needs... or something. It lost its cache, so... Right, now that's there, let me see, is this gonna... There. Oh! Here we are. But yeah, basically, like, let me just... It's fine, it just needed to rebuild, but yeah. Like, I'm quickly just gonna go into 7 stars and show, like, the issue. Like, just, you see all these things around here? Like, you'll be able to see it pretty easy when I just walk around, so, but... yeah, like, see how I'm just stuttering every little bit? It's still, like, kinda smooth, but, like, not as smooth. Yeah, like, that's because for, like, a frame or so, every time I enter a new text, like, every time I enter a new area, it just, yeah. That's because there's only, like, one trigger like, but, like, every time I change tiles, yeah. Like, there is just a very slight little stutter, and I know exactly why, and it is, if I pull up Adam, which I'm not sure I had earlier, yeah, it is this line. In script start, it makes the player moving equals false any time you, like, trigger run script. So, like, for a frame, you just stop moving. Comment that line out, see how it changes things. I would need to, like, do some fuck engine swapping, and that would also be very bad. Ultimately, like, what it would need is an actual, like, run condition. Might be breaking your cardinal ruling of no cardinal rule of no coding as well, yeah. Like, just, ultimately, I wouldn't be able to do that in that code and get it to, like, reliably work. Yeah. It would cause, like, a lot of problems, and ultimately, is there actually, like, actually, wait, if I go over to Adam just a sec, yeah, like, there is script runner, script start background. Why? I would love to... it just, like, that takes a U-Byte owner, and I'm not actually sure what that, where does it actually care about owner in here? That's script context, okay. Script CXS. That's just, like, an array of... ah, okay. So that's just making a stack and everything. Basically, I would want it to, have, like, start a script in the, like, or do scripts in the background for these triggers. That would be nice, but I'm not sure how to do that. Like, just ultimately, I am... ooh, what was that? Wow. Ah! Viewer start scripting is called? Yeah. Script start, yeah. Like, just, that would be trigger run script, but that would make all, like, just, that's the issue, is there... some triggers I want foreground, some I want background. The no PG version, yeah. Yeah, like, just, that is over here at, trigger run script start, yeah. Yeah, by the way, what that was about is I found another condition where it just runs out of sprite room. Where's it already called? Yeah, that is in trigger run script. D&D went for far too long, apologies. That's okay, Jude. I am looking at the code and figuring out why it's hell. No, no, what do you mean, none? My script start BG, where in code is that already being called? I know where that is. Let me pull it up. I think I know where it is. Alright, actor.c? Huh. Actor run script. Is it in one of the other ones? It might be in... Let me check in actor B. Script start PG, yeah. That happens in, Hmm. Huh. Did you do a search in Project Control Shift F? Is that functioning? I don't know what that did. Oh. Ah! Oh, no. Setting. Finds. There. Yeah, yeah, so, find all. Searching! Um... Huh. Huh. Why just not... Or... Don't forget your pills. Go, yeah, go take your estrogen, Jen. First, okay, yeah, it's not fine. I don't know what's going on there, but... Yeah, don't know why it's not finding anything. Like, it's not even searching yet, Let me... That's not... Yeah. Oh no, oh. Okay. Alright, so that works. Not usually... I guess that works. Where is it searching? Alright, yeah, so it finds Allie was here, okay. Start G. Match case. Oh. Is it just not searching it? Huh. I don't know. Is it because it's... It shouldn't be because it's get ignored. Hmm. I want to keep working on this stuff. So... Yeah, so I did find one more issue in that this happens. Like, if you see over here, like, that could absolutely be because it's get ignored. If it's because it's get ignored, I am gonna be pissed with Adam. Yeah, like, just watch this. Ah, not good. Back, eat, hydrated kitty followed me. Oh, cute. Okay, I need to... So, if we look over here... let me pull up... actual... Like, that is happening because you can end up having 1, 2, 3, 4 player, 5, 6, 7, 8... And then I guess it's loading Demi or something. And then, like... The 2 from the trick text box. Kitty, yeah. Yeah, so, no? I'm fine with that only, like, having one area to actually, like, trigger it. That's okay. Like, going right in front of it, yeah, that's fine. I'm not happy with that clothes rack, honestly. I'm not happy with the clothes rack texture. I've been worried about... Yeah, I do think I want to change that up. It's been nagging at me for a while. Where is that? Clothes rack. Boop. Let's open up Adam. Or no, Ice Spray. So we've got this and this. These are... doesn't look good. I can do better. Like, I did it based on, like, a home clothes rack, not like a shopping clothes rack. Let me pull up, like, like... Were you writing, were you writing for Quinn tonight? Yeah, I've done some, writing for Quinn. I'm not entirely sure that there's much for me to write there, but I do quickly want to work on this too. It shouldn't take too long. I've still got, like, an hour of normal, like, dev time. This is just another thing that's been nagging at me, and the more things that are nagging at me, the less I can actually focus on what I want to do, which sucks. Issues. Due to, like, frames and such, I do need to ultimately just, have one thing for, like, both the clothing and the choker, and, I know. New layer. Gonna duplicate so I've still got the old around. I know it would make it look a lot better. It goes like that, or maybe just all the way in. And yeah, that'll be better. Then on this one, yeah. I'm gonna copy, paste. I'm gonna do that, but yeah. There. Pressing keybinds and everything, but yeah. What I'm gonna do is, instead of having it like be like a domestic clothes rack like this, I'm gonna make it one where where they go out to the side like you would see in like a store or whatever. And I've got like copy one of these or whatever. Yeah, and then just something like that. Start it close. You could put it close like that, rack like that in the middle of the floor. I could, yeah. Yeah, just something like that. You won't hit that spread issue, yeah. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that, actually. Yeah, I'll look into it. I do still wish that it was possible to have, like, a trigger that you could talk to without using a sprite, but yeah. Nope, I copied the player. There. Yeah, something like that. Might actually send them out a bit further, so... Yeah, something like that. And maybe like a bit here with a price tag or whatever? Yeah. Looks great, yeah. That looks really good. Like the other one can have it over, get down here. Yeah. Looks good. I want to make that look a bit better, but... Oh no, I know what it's missing. To go just a bit more up. Yeah, looks good. There. Happy with that. Assets. Right. What did I... Place. They can apparently have, like, spaces in their names and such, but yeah. Then back over to GB Studio. Let's see how these look. Ooh, huh. Yeah. Alright. Easy fix. Place. Better. Ooh, yeah, those actually look really good. Now I can, like, maybe move one of these out onto the floor or so? Yeah. Still a couple issues with them, but... gotta have a consistent outline on them, I think. Alright, let's get... Alright, crack, and boom. Place. Better. I know I'm doing this a lot out of your view, but it is, yeah, it is just really simple, like, single pixel changes. Place, again. Okay, that, I'm happier with that, yeah. Might make some more changes later, but fuck it. That looks fine. I wonder how that's gonna affect things. Yeah. Having, like, one of them there, yeah. I love the lesbian color palette. Yeah. They just got some thunder, I think. Oh, wow. Yeah. There. Then you can embiggen again. I wish you could scroll in these builds. I might actually be able to, like, look into having, to making that, because, like, that's just, like, JavaScript or whatever. Actually raining for the first time in 2.5 months. Nice! And I still definitely want to get, like, the tricky text box out of the way, just in general. Like, still want to have it get out of the way when, like, other things go on there, but yeah. If I go up here now, yeah. Right, it's based on your exposition. Yeah, there is no real way to actually... I think I might just not make them interactable from the sides. I do still like having, like, this out here such, just because, like, not everything is gonna be, like, set up in the back, but yeah. Okay. Still wish there was just better interactability stuff overall, but what can you do? Uh, what can you do beyond, like, just bullshit, honestly? Yeah. I'm happy with how this is coming out, honestly. Writing. Let me pull up Adam. Okay. Oh yeah, actually writing for the first time in 2.5 months. Yay! Hopefully gonna be getting some rain over here soon. Good to hear that y'all are getting it, just, Anyway, so. New stuff. Then let your sketch where the traces go, then you can either etch a board yourself or pay a company to make the board for you. Makes sense. How much does it cost usually? Oh, it really depends on how complex it is. Very close enough you might get some advice, yeah. A super basic design will go for a few bucks, but bigger and fancier boards will be pricier. Hopefully it won't cost too much for this. I'll do my best to make sure it doesn't. Character, thinking, personality. Quinn sounding a bit too much like Demiurge here. Not happy with how I've been writing Quinn's character so far. Like, just Quinn should be a lot shyer up front. Like, they used up all their like courage to actually reach out to Arity. So. Yeah, I'm gonna make some changes. I have got time. Got the idea that Quinn seemed pretty self-sure. Yeah, I don't, yeah, that's, not what I'm going for. Yeah, like, I think, like, just Quinn is, like, sort of character who will go on, like, big tangents and such when they, like, talk about something, but they're also, like, really shy and get self-conscious really easily. So, yeah. There, yeah. Okay. I've got time. Come tell me about it? Yeah. There is apparently a way to do text speed in GB Studio. let me do scripting events, text events. Ooh.
You're as lovely as I am trans and gay lemma.
Oh,
Carrot, carrot.
Oh, Jen, thank you so much for donating $5 and apparently thank you very much for the $5, Jen. And Lucille T, thank you for backing me on Patreon for $5 too. Apparently I don't get a notification for that. Is that something I can set up, or? Yeah, I did that. Box, not an, pleasures. Oh? Apparently I am. Let me... Apparently, I can actually do something for that. Yeah, let me just, test that a sec. Okay, yeah. Not sure why it's using that. I told it to use, but yeah, apparently that is something that it can do. It just didn't for some reason. Okay, yeah. Thank you so much. Ah. What are you making? So, what are you making? Yeah. Alright. Yeah, I'm just gonna do a bit of, like, rewriting for Quinn to just give off a different vibe. There is apparently a way to do text speed. There is actually a text set. Oh, there are like text set animation speeds, like overall, okay. Huh. Interesting, okay. I will look into the parser for that, but yeah. Ah, okay, text animation speed is bang, capital S, a number bang, okay. Neat. Okay, cool. Nice. What? Type of robot? I'm not actually sure. I should ask Nikki. Like, if you're doing like a stuttering, should it be capitalized for the repeated? I love how that all like how having to use this also breaks monospace. Well, if you'd be happy to help. Yeah. Really, really like work electronics. Ah. And maybe I can help teach design them. It's a little complicated. You can get the hang of it. Yeah, and maybe I can design them? Yeah. It's a little overcomplicated. But I'm sure you can get the hang of it. What? So, tell me about yourself. Made you want to design a robot? It's alright, you don't have to if it's too complex. I might like make these go a bit faster. Actually, so alright. So yeah, I'll look into making these faster and such, yeah. What is the default speed? Huh. Oh, storybooks is CLI, okay. Oh, UI component builder, okay. Like, yeah, I'm looking into the GB Studio code to see what, like, the default text speed is. It looks like they are at, like, doing some new UI stuff. And text dialogue. Just looking in to see if there's like a they're like what are like the they're like I'm not sure what like the default speeds and such are. Yeah. Back to this, so like just I can like look into that later anyway. Oh, thank you for the hydrate. Yeah, oh Adderall really dehydrates you. Anyway, know about circuits so far. Pause to check, thank you, and a stretch. And some blocks. Honestly, not taught well. Oh, sorry. He plops the cute, yeah. And circuit boards. It really, yeah. I am a lot more comfortable with, this new speaking style for Quinn. I'll run through it once I'm done. I'll do my best to make sure it doesn't. You can back and meet up later and I can put your name as me. I like giving my contacts custom names. I think they're both gonna blush at that. Like, that was a... I want, like, Quinton... Like, that was a slip of the tongue for... Okay. Apparently Kitty says hi. That's what that key mash was. Okay. Okay, Right, yeah, so Quinn is gonna go scream into a pillow after this. I like this exchange, yeah. Oh, no. Alright, first person. Ah! Looks like also Yes, I already should say thanks for the compliment, which is good development to me, yeah. Like this. Mm-hmm. I hope she doesn't hate me. Yeah, I am a lot more confident with this. Yeah, I am a lot more confident with this script than the previous one. Yeah, this is like just gives Quinn a lot more of like an individual character. Ah. Okay, let's implement that. Over to GB Studio, yeah. Quinn's a cutie now too, yeah. Ooh. Oh! Nice! Compacted it down a bit. Cute, scooty. What I think I'm gonna do is... It's like in settings or... Doesn't look like it. Yeah, so I'll just like... set animation speed for text. I'm gonna make it, text open speed is always gonna be that, then... Or actually... I'm gonna have them always be instant open and instant close. That'll just look a lot better. Raw speed will be at speed 2, except for when I want it to go faster. There's also gonna be speed up. Actually, I'm gonna see speed 3 first. If that's too slow, then I can change it. I'm gonna just put this at the... yeah, like right there. That'll, like, set it for everything. I think I'm happier with, like, instant open menus, because that just means I'm not gonna have to worry as much about, like, quick switching avatars or anything, but yeah. How many cuties here tonight? Cuties in the game, cuties on the stream, cuties in the chat, indeed! Oh, yeah, no. 3 is way too slow. Okay. Back over to studio. I wish there were different things for, like, menu, like, I wish there were different options for menus and dialogue. Yeah. Like, I want that to come up quick, yeah. Yeah, alright. That is a much better text speed. Oh, I didn't actually show it to you, but let me just, like, talk to... Yeah, and then you can also hold it down for faster. Alright, yeah. Happy with that. Now I can just go back over here and start implementing. Yeah, so that. I'm gonna like copy that. Or no, I'm just gonna have like a. No, because I'm gonna be having to fuck up the. I'm gonna be using cut paste a lot, so. I could have. Yeah. I could have options for that. I might look into having options for that. Yeah, I'll look into an options screen later since I do want to have like some options and such. Wonder what I could do for accessibility in this game, actually. That'd be interesting to do. Right. And up. Right. I could do some. I wonder if I could do some like stuff for like pauses or whatever. Alright, yeah, I should actually. Oh shit, I actually realized I have been inconsistent. So. I'm gonna make sure that, like, the hyphen. Like, after, like. Yeah, like, the stammering is. Always, like. Always. If it starts with the stammer, then it's, like, both of them are capitalized. That is. What I'm just gonna. That's what I'm gonna standardize on. Oh. Just editing this on both sides at once is fun. Right. There, alright, got that. That. There. Right. There. Alright. There. Now Alright, now here's the extension. It should only be two more display dialogues. So. At least in this area, so. They are apparently going to be adding support for yeah, support for like adding in between at some point. So like I don't need to add them at the bottom and then drag them up. Oh shit, I forgot to add avatars with you. But you're gonna be the radio for now. And you'll just like already sad. Alright. Cat was sitting here getting pet when all of a sudden she sits upright and stares at the door. Alright then. Yeah, like just the little pause there with the ellipsis I think is gonna have like a big impact on that. So like you can tell like Quinn is kinda like just like Quinn knows and is trying to like account for Arity. Just basically just being nice. Right, and just like crunch these down for a bit. Quarter second wait over here. Boat bubble. Wait. And dialogue. Radio. And dialogue. I can just expand all these again. Alright, yeah, that. Alright. Yay! Save. Now, gonna go through this and I might wrap up at that point. Let me quickly check dialogue review. 4,794 words. The number's climbing and that makes me really happy. That looks a lot. Yeah, those look a lot better. Might do something else with the tags, not sure. Might just check that a bit more at the end of this. We will see. For now, I'm gonna read through the new version of the event. Been a rough week. Work's been a nightmare. I've barely gotten any sleep. And now my favorite clothes are ruined. It's time to get something new. Maybe a different look for myself? I remember a new store opened up a while ago, and it's on my way back from work, too. I decided to check it out on my way home. Gonna... There. Just using, the air to sprite. I guess I'm fine with this, but, worst comes to worst, I might just, or actually no, that wouldn't really do anything yet. I just don't like how you can only stop and with left or right foot active, yeah. I'll look into level of detail stuff in the future. Anyway, just going through all this, and I'm gonna use some trick and text box stuff in here too. Alright. It doesn't look like I'll find anything here. Back to square one, I guess. Oh, I can I? Tiles. No, I need 5, that's 4, okay. Are you looking for something? My mind takes a second to spin up and respond. Oh, yeah, though I can't find it. I need a book on circuit design. What are you working on? It's a long story. I've got time. Come tell me about it? Okay. So, what are you making? Well, how much should I tell her? She'd get weirded out by the whole Demi thing, wouldn't she? That really feels like it'd weird people out. I decided to tell a partial truth. I'm working on a robot right now. It's my first time making hardware, so I'm a little bit lost on the circuit design. Oh, I see. What kind of robot? Well, a humanoid one, I guess. One about my size that looks like a person. That seems pretty tough for a first project. Ooh, missed that one. Just gonna quickly fix that while I'm here. That seems pretty tough for a first project. I've got someone more experienced helping me out. They're handling the actual parts to use, and I'm just drawing out the circuits. Makes sense. Did they not have any guides on that for you? I wanted to learn for myself. Might not have been the best idea, though. Well, if you'd like, I'd be happy to help. I really like working on electronics, and maybe I can teach you how to design them? It's a little complicated, but I'm sure you can get the hang of it. Thank you. That'd be nice. Of course! So, tell me about yourself. Oop, that's another one I missed. What made you want to design a robot? It's really hard to explain. It's alright. You don't have to if it's too complex. Thank you. I can probably do it another time. Anyway, what do you know about circuits so far? Well, I've tried messing with breadboards, but actually designing a PC is overwhelming. Oh, gosh, yeah, that's honestly not taught well. Went through 4 whole years of comp sci, and we only ever learned breadboards. Yeah, I can. Right, I'm gonna change that line to, and we only ever learned how to use breadboards. There. We only ever learned breadboards. I had to learn how to use an EDA on my own. An EDA? Oh, sorry. An app you use to design circuit boards. One too short, okay. They let you sketch where the traces go. Then you can either etch a board yourself, or pay a company to make the board for you. Makes sense. How much does it cost, usually? Oh, it really depends on how complex it is. A super basic design will go for a few bucks, but bigger and fancier boards will be pricier. Hopefully it won't cost too much for this. I'll do my best to make sure it doesn't. I've gotta go do something in a little. But if you give me your contact, we can meet up later and I can help teach you? Okay. Yeah. I'd really appreciate that. I tapped my phone to theirs, trading our contacts. It looks like her name is Quinn. Her eyes flicked from her phone to my face. Wait. If I can see her name, then... what should I put your name as in here? What? I like giving my contacts custom names. Do you have any you'd want me to pick for you? Just go with whatever. Got it. See you later, cutie. Cute. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. I'd add like another pause in there or something. Or... No, I know what I'm doing. Okay, just gonna do this quickly. Copy. After. Copy. After. There. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. It was just a slip of the tongue. Oh, these should be faster. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. It was just a slip of the tongue. Yeah. Later. Thank you. I'm gonna put another ellipsis. And then, you too, okay. What just happened? I hate how it is just one character for it to actually put happen, like, on the same line. Kerning update can't come fast enough. What just happened? I look at the number in my phone. Yeah, that's also one character. I hope she doesn't hate me. Yeah. Yay! That's all good. I'm actually really happy with those changes. And it's about 9, so I think last off for tonight, I'm just gonna do a bit more tweaking on this. Not super happy with it yet. Shouldn't be too hard to like make it, like just make the tweaks to be happier with it. Yeah, I want to like lower that and then. Ooh, I completely forgot that would fuck the patterns up, so. Your game should absolutely make sure it's something you love more than anyone else. Absolutely, yeah. There, and... Actually, not sure how I'm good. Actually, I think I might shrink the tags down a bit. Yeah. There. Export. Export. Clothes rack. Boom. Place. And over in stars. Boop. Yeah, then let's... Yeah. Like how those look, yay! Why make the tags the same color? Yeah, I'm gonna make them in color. There. Alright, yay! Then I'm just gonna... rename it, and then I can... Oh! That caught it, okay, good. Yeah, that looks good. That looks really good. A lot better. Very happy with that, yay. Hooray! Textures I'm happy with, woohoo! Well, it's textures I made that I'm happy with. It's very normal for me to be just overjoyed with the ones Pokemon makes. Oh, some progress so far, Lemon. Thank you, yeah. Yeah, really happy with what I got done tonight. Let me look into some stuff in the future, but yeah. With that, I think I am ready to finish up for the night. I've got a devlog to write and everything. Gonna have to talk about, like, gonna be fun talking about, all that jazz. But yeah, fun night, yeah. Happy with tonight. Anyway, let's head back over to just chatting for now. Yeah. I'm really fucking happy. I got work done tonight. Like, work that is actually, like, moving it forward and not just, like, running into roadblocks. Because, like, well, it's fine to, like, run into roadblocks and, like, change up my expectations. It still feels like shit to have that be the only thing that happens. Yeah, but yeah. But yeah. Very happy with just everything I ended up doing tonight. I'm really happy with, like, the new clothes rack texture. I'm really happy I figured out how to, yeah, I'm really glad I, figured out the, yeah, your porcupine of hard work. Yeah, I'm very, very happy that I figured out what I was like, why I wasn't super feeling Twins route, and I'm glad I managed to break through that and just make it a lot better. Yeah. Really fucking happy. Anyway. Who should I go raid? Let's see who's live. Mill, Nikki, Young, I'm gonna go over to Milk, honestly. Haven't raided her in a while. And Milk is really cool. Just super chill. Raid phrase. Raid phrase. What should I do? What about... How about that Disaster Gate raid? Assembly Archaeology raid? Maybe, yeah. I think I'd prefer Disaster Gate raid. It's a bit, like, snippier, but yeah. Raid Milk Drops. And, alright, thank you all so very much for coming, hanging out, watching. Really happy with everything that got done. Just tons of cool stuff this time around. Normally, this is where I'd say that this is my last stream for the week, but I am going to be streaming tomorrow, playing Operation Tango with my wonderful girlfriend, Nikki Riesel. Gonna be great, gonna be really cool. I am so excited for that. It's just gonna be so much fun. But yeah, when you get over to Milks, go ahead and drop her a follow, because she is cool, and I respect her a lot, and is just generally neat. And yeah, with that, I'm gonna send y'all on over so I can work on the devlog for tonight. Let's get this raid started in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. See you soon!